Welcome to Per Century Mall. Here at the mall, we will learn to explain the meaning of percent, identify the relationship of percentages to ratios, decimals, and fractions, change fractions to percent and vice versa, and solve problems involving percentages. There is a 3-day sale at the Per Century Mall. The sales staff are busy on attending to customers' needs, but they have some questions to ask. Help them answer the questions. Click on the icon of the sales staff to view the question. A pair of pants cost 450 pesos. How much can you save if it was discounted by 30%? Good job!
If a shirt costs 300 pesos, what will be the price if the discount is 25%?
Good job! One-fourth of chocolate cake was sold. How many percent of the cake was sold? Good job!
Sally ordered in a fast food, and the total amount of her bill is 112 pesos. If the value-added tax is 10%, how much should she pay?
Good job! Welcome again to Per Century Mall. This is your guide as you tour the mall with Percy. Click on the places where you want to go, such as the food court, Scent Apparel, and Marlin's Pastries and Delicacies. There are also other places which can help to make your tour more enjoyable. Happy malling!
Good afternoon, ate.
Good afternoon, Percy. Come and take a look at the cakes and pastries we are selling here. Look, Percy. We have chocolate, mocha, ube makapuno, buko pandan, and choco marble. Some of them have already been sold. Others were bought per slice.
They all look delicious. Which among them sells the most?
That's what I'm figuring out. Help me check the percentage bought for each kind of cake. This is ube makapuno cake. 1/4 or 25% of the ube makapuno cake was sold.
How did you know that 25% of the ube makapuno cake was sold?
It's like this, Percy. The cake is divided into 8 slices. 2 slices of the cake were sold. If we put it in fraction form, it will look like this: 2/8. If we put it in its simplest form, that is equal to 1/4. And then, we will convert 1/4 to percentage. To convert this into percentage, we should convert it to decimal form, which is equal to 0.25. Then, let us multiply it by 100. This is always used in converting decimal numbers to percentages, because percent means parts per hundred or a hundredth. After multiplying it, we now have 25%. This is the percentage of the slice sold.
I see. Can we take a look at the other cakes?
Yes, we may. Here is a chocolate cake. 2 slices were sold this morning. How many percent of the cake was sold?
If the whole cake has 12 slices, and 2 out of these 12 slices were sold, the percentage of the cake sold is 16.6%.
How did you arrive with that answer?
I followed the steps you taught me. First, I identified the number of slices sold, which is 2, and the total number of slices in one whole chocolate cake, which is 12. In fraction form, that will be 2/12 or 1/6. Dividing the numerator by the denominator will give us a quotient of 0.166. This has to be multiplied by 100 to convert it to percentage. 0.166 multiplied by 100 is 16.6%.
Very good, Percy. You are learning fast. Percy was able to help me find out the percentage of the cake sold. You too can help me determine the percentage of the other delicacies sold. We are also selling puto, bibingka, and cassava cake. Click on the delicacies and help me find out how many percent of each kind was sold. I baked 11 bibingka this morning. A customer came in and bought 4 pieces of bibingka. How many percent of the bibingka was bought? Compute for the percentage. Type your answer in the box. Good job! Puto is the favorite delicacy of Marvin. He bought 7 of the 16 pieces this morning. What percentage of the puto was bought by Marvin? Compute for the percentage and type your answer in the box. Good job! Lisa bought 3 slices of cassava cake for her 3 kids. If 13 slices were still on the display cabinet, what percentage of the cassava cake did Lisa buy? Compute for the percentage and type your answer in the box. Good job! Thanks for helping me, Percy.
You're welcome, ate. I have to go now. Bye!
Thanks for your help too.
I need to buy a pair of pants. Let's look if we can find nice pair of pants in Scent Apparel. They are on sale. Hello there. May I know the price of these pants?
The original price of the pants was 350 pesos, but it is on sale at 25%.
What do you mean by that?
It means that you will pay only 75% of the original price. Let me show you how it is computed. We have to get 25% of the 350 pesos. To do this, we have to convert first 25% to decimal form by moving 2 decimal places to the left. After getting its equivalent in decimal form, we have to multiply it by the original price, which is 350 pesos. The product will be 87 pesos and 50 centavos. This is the discount, but it is not yet the discounted price. Now, we have to subtract 87 pesos and 50 centavos from 350 pesos. The answer will be 262 pesos and 50 centavos. This is the discounted price. Would you like to buy the pants, sir?
I have 500 pesos with me. If I'll pay 262 pesos and 50 centavos for it, I will have 237 pesos and 50 centavos left. More than enough for me to buy food at the food court. Yes, I will buy the pants.
Well then, let's go to the cashier. There are still other items on sale at the store. Let's check them out and compute for the discounted price of every item. Click on each item and solve for the discounted price. This is a 3/4 shirt for men. Its original price was 550 pesos. Now, it's on sale at 25% discount. What should be the discounted price of this item? Good job! Scent Apparel also sells slack pants for formal occasions. This pants was originally sold for 600 pesos. Now, it was sold with 35% discount. How much should you pay? Good job! This bucket hat is originally sold at 150 pesos. If it has 10% discount, how much does it cost now? Good job! This is a plain polo shirt from Scent Apparel. Before, it sold for 350 pesos, but now it is 30% off. How much will you pay if you buy this polo shirt? Good job!
I really enjoyed buying a pair of pants here at Scent Apparel. I hope you also enjoyed shopping with me. Would you like to go with me in our next stop, the food court? Join me inside the food court and learn about the use of percentage in computing value-added tax.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I take your order, please?
I want spaghetti and a regular soft drinks.
Okay, sir. That will be 45 pesos, but value-added tax is not yet included there, so the real cost is 50 pesos and 40 cents.
Okay, here's my 55 pesos. But can you explain to me what value-added tax is?
Value-added tax or VAT is a tax on the estimated market value added to a product or material at each stage of its manufacture or distribution, ultimately passed on to the consumer. In the Philippines, it is called revised VAT or RVAT, amounting to 12%. Let's take this example. If you order cheeseburger which costs 22 pesos and a regular soft drink at 18 pesos, in order to compute the price you have to pay, add 22 pesos and 18 pesos. The sum is 40 pesos. And then multiply the sum by 0.12, the decimal equivalent of 12%. The product will be 4 pesos and 80 centavos. This is the value-added tax for one cheeseburger and a regular soft drinks. You have to add it to the price exclusive of VAT, which is 40 pesos, to get the exact amount you have to pay.
I see. So that's why I have to pay 44 pesos and 80 centavos instead of just 40 pesos.
You're correct.
Okay, here's my payment.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your meal. Now, let us practice computing for the value-added tax of these food items. Select 3 food items from the display area and drag them one by one on top of the tray. The cash register will automatically compute the sum of the items you chose. Type in the first box the 12% VAT of your food items, and in the second box, the amount due to the cashier. Click Pay if you have typed in your answers.
Good job!
It was really fun learning about the use of percentage in computing value-added tax. I hope to see you again.
Chris prepared pulveron for baon of her 3 kids. When she prepared 400-gram pulveron mixture, she combined 250 grams of flour and 150 grams of powdered milk. How many percent powdered milk is the pulveron mixture? Good job! On the 7th birthday of Alex, 24 of the 32 slices of cake were eaten by his friends. What percent of the cake was eaten by Alex's friends? Good job! This television set originally cost 5,255 pesos. Now, there is an inventory sale for 1 month. If the television set is being sold at 25% off, how much should the buyer pay? Good job!
Now, let us practice computing for the value-added tax of these food items. Select 3 food items from the display area and drag them one by one on top of the tray. The cash register will automatically compute the sum of the items you chose. Type in the first box the 12% VAT of your food items, and in the second box, the amount due to the cashier. Click Pay if you have typed in your answers.
Good job!
Let us recall what you have learned from this module. Click on the Summary button to begin. Percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign. We use percentages to express the discount rate of items on sale. To solve for the amount you have to pay for an item on sale, follow these steps. Identify the original price and the rate of discount. Convert the rate of discount to decimal form. We can do this by moving 2 decimal places to the left. Multiply the original price by the rate of discount in decimal form. The answer is the amount discounted. This is not yet the discounted price. To get the discounted price, subtract the amount discounted from the original price. Percentage is also used in computing tax such as value-added tax. Value-added tax or VAT is a tax on the estimated market value added to a product or material at each stage of its manufacture or distribution, ultimately passed on to the consumer. In the Philippines, it is called revised VAT or RVAT, amounting to 12%. To solve for the RVAT included amount of an item, follow these steps. Identify the amount to be taxed. Convert 12% to decimal form. 12% is the VAT rate in the Philippines. Multiply the amount to be taxed by 0.12. The answer is the value-added tax. Add the amount of value-added tax to the original amount.
Thanks for joining me here at the mall. I hope you enjoyed the day. Till next time, bye!